One of the most important changes in the overall research enterprise is the direct involvement of patients and consumers in not only conducting the studies, but also for prioritizing, designing the studies, and disseminating their results. After all, it's the patients and the consumers who have the most at risk when we don't know the right answer to the question about a new therapy or even the right dose of an old therapy like aspirin. So the direct involvement of patients makes the study better and will make it more realistic for adoption of what we find in practice when the study's over. Think about the history of clinical research. It evolved in an era where patients were relatively powerless, and the idea of activation of patients themselves was something that was sort of foreign in the health system. The idea that was in play was that experts in the field would design the studies, would decide what was important, would analyze the data, then decide what needed to be done, and this would translate into doctors giving patients prescriptions or advice about what to do. We're in a different time now. People are activated, many are highly educated, and if they're not, for example, having high degrees of high advanced degrees, they still want to be very active in their self-care. And this is leading to a whole different way of doing research, as well as a different way of getting better health in clinical practice.